Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to change lineup on Sleeper app. So here are a few easy steps to follow. You're going to open your Sleeper app, and then at the top you have match, team, players and league. Also at the top you're going to look at the top right corner where you have the gear icon and you're going to tap on it. And then at the top you can see we're currently on the general tab. However, when we tap on Comish, you can see we're going to switch over to this. Now we're going to look for edit lineups. Here we have edit lineups and we're going to tap on it. And you're going to select the team which you would like to change the lineup. We're going to select the first one and then here we have our lineup. So say we want to change the goalkeeper Onana. We're going to tap on Onana and then we're going to have other options on the bench. We could choose Nick Pope or Neto. So say we want to pick on Nick Pope, we're going to tap on his name. And here you can see some details about him. On the bottom right corner, you can see the X to close this. And then you can tap on the move icon to move the player to the slot. We're going to tap on it. And now you can see that Onana is now in the bench. And these steps can be repeated for other players. So if we want to change Martinelli to Garnacho, on the bench, we can tap on Martinelli. And then we're going to select Garnacho on the bench. You also have the option to swap positions between players who have been selected already. So you can swap Martinelli with Declan Rice or Mohamed Salah, which are already on the lineup. This, however, will only change their position. But if we want to change Martinelli with a player on the bench, say with Garnacho, we're going to tap on the move icon. Tapping on it again. Now you can see Garnacho on the field and Martinelli is on the bench. And then when we go back by pressing the X on the top left corner, we're going to go back again with the arrow back and then click on the X. And here you can see that we no longer have Martinelli here, we have Garnacho here, and we also have Nick Pope as the goalkeeper. So this is how to change lineup on Sleeper app. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.